Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss how to upload a video or content to your YouTube channel. After setting the profile picture and banner, once you have created any type of content, get it ready. Now let's start the uploading process and see it step by step. Open your browser and go to youtube.com. After coming to YouTube, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here you will see the option for YouTube Studio. Click on it. You will be on YouTube's channel dashboard. Here at the top right, you will see the option to create. Click on it. Now you will see the option to upload a video. Click on it. As soon as you click, you will see the select files option. Click on it. After that, select the file you want to upload. I have selected a file here. Now fill the details for the title. The title is required and you can enter up to 100 characters for your title. Also in the description you can prepare a description for your video. The maximum length of description is 5000 characters. I have added my description. After that, there is an option for the thumbnail. Here you can create a thumbnail for your video that define the type of content it is. Click on the upload thumbnail option. Now select the file you created for the thumbnail for this video. You can see my thumbnail is set for this video. Next, scroll down and you will see the option for playlist. If you want to add this video to a playlist, select the playlist here. After that, click on the done option. Then in the audience section, two options are showing. Choose the option that represent the type of audience for this video. I selected the option no, it's not made for kids here. After that, there is the show more option. Click on it. Then scroll down because these options are usually selected by default. If you want to check, you can do so. Now the tag option is showing. You can use hashtag for your video and the character limit is up to 500 character. I will assign some here. Next, in the language section, select the language of your video. After that, scroll down and you will find the category option. Here, select the category that best fit your video. After that, there is the next option below. Click on it. Then here you see the option for add subtitle, add an end screen and add cards. I will discuss how to set these in the next video. Now here the next option is showing again. Click on it. After that you can see there are no copyright issue with the video. Now click on next. Clicking on it, it will show the visibility screen here. Select public if you want to make your video public. Then scroll down. Here the schedule option is showing. With this option you can select a specific time to publish your video. Now the publish button is showing. Click on it. As soon as you click, your video is published. Here you see various social media icons. You can share the link on the platform of your choice. Now you can go to your content and view the upload content that you just published. This is the content you have recently published. This way you can upload any video to your YouTube channel. I hope you found this video informative. If so, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified from upcoming video.